Nagkatawag sa aming ugbong!
Kapangga. Kabalo ya.
Bukay, bumara mo tabulag. Bumara mo tabulag.
So welcome back uli mga loads sa aking channel. So sa video na to gagawa tayo ng 250 gallon na storage tank. So nililiawat ko yung ano dyan, yung tugtungan. Bali ang circumference pala nyan mga loads is 311. So ang kanyang diameter is 99. So may dugtong na yung isang buong plansa, may dugtong na 2 feet tapos 6 cm. So pinapabutasan ko na yung ano dyan, manhole. So pinupukpok na rin ni Guwapo yung takip. So ayan, so napakagaling niyang pukpok ng takip. Ikot-ikot lang. So dito naman tinutupi ko yung dulo para dun sa takip. Ayan, so ang bilis ni Marlon, no? Sige, hataw. So dyan naman sinasalpak ko na yung takip dyan. So hindi ko na sinabit dyan kasi maliit yung takip. So pag sinabit ko matatanggal siya. Kaya nilagay ko siyang nakahiga. Sinalpak kong nakahiga yan. So ayan, tapos na yung isa. Tapos nang nalagyan ng takip. So pakita ko muna sa inyo. So ayan, dikit na dikit. So ayan, tapos na rin yung isang takip. So yun guys, na full weld na natin yung kabilaang takip. Ayan, so ito naman yung isurod natin, yung dugtungan. Dalawa. Okay, so ayusin ko lang tong camera. So medyo mahirap ang pag full weld niyan kasi 1.1 lang yung ginamit na plansa. So yun ang gusto ng may-ari. Kaya pag may awang mabubutas agad. So ayan pa, naihinto ko dyan.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards your dream.
So ayan, tapos na.
My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like
So ayan, makikita nyo dyan may UP. Ayan, so pukpukin natin gamit ng yung guma na martilyo para bumalik siya.
Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you
So, kailangan susuot tayo dun sa manhole para mapukpok natin. So dyan naman nilalagyan ko siya ng manhole para may kabit na natin yung takip.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine.
So dyan naman inispatan ko na yung takip. So ayan. So pagkatapos naispatan, forward na natin. Loh, bilis kakaispat lang, forward agad. So ayan, so nalagyan ko na rin ng bisagra. Ayan.
Silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm
So dyan naman ginagawa ko na yung stand nya.
and when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So ayan, tinulungan na ako ni Samboy dyan, saka si Bugoy, para mabilis.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.
So binuhat na ni Samboy at Bugoy yung tangke para malinisan. So nagmamadali kasi yung may-ari, gusto matapos agad, kaya pinilisan namin dyan.
They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So tumulong na rin si Bayaw Anong dyan, nakapulang short. So pangalan ng girlfriend niya pala is Anang. So bagay na bagay sila. Pag nagkaroon sila ng anak, ano nang daw yung itatawag nila sa anak nila.
place that I go, I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing.
Kalau ba lang ito mga baka?
Mamaya naman. Kain muna.
So ayan, tapos ko nang nabili yung stand. So pasensya na kayo mga lods kasi hindi nyo nakitang buo yung pag-assemble ko ng stand. Kasi napuno kasi itong cellphone ko. So ayan, ganyan yung design nya. So napakadali lang gayahin. So, binaklas uli namin yung tangke para mapinturahan yung ilalim ng stand, saka para malinis lahat. Bali si Bayaw Ricky pala yung nakadilaw.
Hey kid,
Siya yung taga pintura.
Okay.
Sarap ko lang.
Wala.
Pinalingot to ka ba yawa?
Bilang mo lang, bilang i-camera. Kasi
Sige ba guys?
Ante mo lang tapo pag natakbo sa lamang. Ibang ka ang limang.
Idalong lang kaya kaya.
so ayan, isasakay na yung tangke para may deliver. Nagmamadali kasi yung may-ari. Aliwa, say sarado to eh, paloob. Ano, bukas.
Dapat ka boy.
So arap pa talaga si may balbalag na si.
Gwapo itatak lang yun, gwapo.
Kanya sa tao sa amin mo bro.
Kapan ka?
Ay mo boy sa arap.
Masarap to lang, adyo lang sasara.
Ano ba? Takaro ba?
Adyo lang sasara.
Nangyari. Nagkaryo.
Entala.
Eh bugay, bumba na punta bunag. Bumba na punta bunag.
May sakit, ganyan. Sawa, dala. Dala guys. May laki lang, ang bunang yung laki.